everyone, it's Lara. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Ceylan. So this project is all about the 80s and you're supposed to be working on 8 products, but I bumped it up to 10 because I really want to get to every prompt before the end of the project. For this update, I was able to meet my goal on 2 products and I am decluttering a product as well. So let me show you the ones that I met my goal on. So the first thing is for the prompt Push It. For that I put in this Revlon eyeliner. My goal is to finish it and I was able to finish it. I did not really like this eyeliner. It smudged a lot, so I'm really glad that it's done and it's not something that I would buy. The next thing I met my goal on was for Girls Just Want to Have Fun, a colorful item. I put in the Anastasia Riviera palette, and my goal was to use it 5 times, and I did use it 5 times. All 5 times I used the shade Monte Carlo and the shade Palermo. So, the shade and the shade. Now, for the thing that I'm decluttering, this is for Weird Science, an unusual product. I put in this dry conditioner from Dove. I just really don't like this, and I'm really trying to get out of the habit of hate panning things. This is supposed to be basically like, I don't know, a detangler, makes your hair soft and brushable or whatever, but it does like the complete opposite for me. It makes my hair like tangly and sticky, and I don't like it. I've used the majority of it up. It's starting to feel a lot lighter. I just don't care though, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. I really don't want to use it anymore. Okay, let me show you the progress on the rest of the products. So for Top Gun, a top item in a category. So the top item in my blush category is the Milani Baked Blush. I picked the shade Berry Amore. And my goal is to use it 10 times, and so far I've only used it 7 times. I am wearing it today. Next for Lace, a sheer product, I put in this Clinique Chubby Stick. I've only used it 1 time. For Strawberry Shortcake, a fruit-themed item, I put in this primer from Too Faced, the Prime de Peachy. I have been using it, and, you know, the sides are still getting more sucked in. When I hold it up to the light, there's still product at the top, but it seems like mostly the product being used is coming from the middle. But yeah. Still going along with that. For Nintendo, something fun to play with, I put in this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sugar Cookie. My goal is to use it 5 times, and so far I've only used it twice. For Lost Boys, a black or vampy item, I put in this mascara from Gellar. I have started using it, and so far I'm not really crazy about this mascara. Like, I am the kind of person that likes a drier formula, but I feel like this one's just maybe a little bit too dry. I mean, it has been sitting around for a while. I mean, I've never opened it, but it has, like, been sitting around for a while. So I don't know if it's supposed to be that consistency when you first get it or not. I usually use mascara for 3 months before getting rid of it, but I don't even know if this is going to last for 3 months. I mean, I'm going to still continue to use it, and we'll see how we go. For Blockbuster, a discontinued item, I put in this Victoria's Secret body spray in the scent Blush. So the last update, I was here, and now I am down to here. Slowly but surely getting there. I'm not sure if I will have this done by the end of the project. At the rate I'm going, I really just don't think so. But I'm gonna try and get as much used up as I can, because I would like to get that out of my collection. I'm not crazy about the scent. And the last thing is Indiana Jones, an indie product. I put in this Ofra lip liner. I think I maybe used it twice. And my goal is to finish it. I also don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this. I have split my time between a lot of lip products. We'll see. Okay, so since I met my goal in 2 items and I am decluttering one, that means I can choose 3 more. Okay, let's see what I get. Footloose. I love that song. I know it's a movie too, but I like the song as well. Eye of the Tiger, another good song. And the Rubik's Cube. Fun. I don't think I've ever actually solved a Rubik's Cube, but I've never really owned one, so I feel like I've never really had like a proper try at one. Okay, so let me choose products for those items and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So for the prompt Footloose, an item that was forbidden as a teen, I don't really feel like there was anything that was forbidden for me, like when it comes to makeup. When I was in middle school, I literally wore metallic purple lipstick and purple eyeshadow, so I don't think my parents were too strict when it came to that sort of thing. Yeah, like I grew up, I had play makeup when I was a kid. Anytime we would go shopping and I wanted makeup, my mom would let me get it. She never like said no, or I couldn't get certain things. So I'm just gonna pick something that I think might be a stereotypical thing that might have been forbidden for other kids. And that is a red lipstick. Now I don't think I ever actually tried wearing a red lipstick to school, but I went to middle school and high school in the early to mid 2000s, so red lipstick just wasn't popular. It was more of like the whiteout nude lips or the clear lip gloss lips, or you know, like that. So I don't know if my parents would have said anything. I really don't think so, because like I said, I wore metallic purple lipstick, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this in and my goal is to use it 5 times. And for Eye of the Tiger, an eye product, I'm putting in this eye cream from Estee Lauder. It's just a sample size and I haven't used it yet, so it's still full. And for the last one, Rubik's Cube, a colorful item, which, if I'm not mistaken, I think was the same prompt for Girls Just Want to Have Fun. So I'm just going to bring back the same thing I had in for that and just use it 5 times. Okay, that's everything. I still have a lot of prompts left. I don't know if I'm going to get to everything by the end of the year, but I'm sure going to try. For next update, I really hope I can get my usage goals on the blush, the liquid lipstick, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow palette. But I don't know. We'll see. That's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.